Now that you have successfully developed your training modules, it is time to learn how to effectively deliver them to your eager learners. Join me today as we explore the process of learner management. Let's learn how to add new learner. To begin, click on the Learners tab located on your project dashboard. Next, select the option labeled Add New Learner. It's the green tab on the right. Here, you'll be prompted to input some essential information. Start by entering the learner's ID. This ID can be a unique identifier chosen by your organization, such as an employee number recorded in your HR system. Next, input the learner's name. You may choose to enter the employee's email address or phone number. Don't forget to include the country code for the phone number. If necessary, you can also place the learner into a specific learner group by clicking on Add to Groups. It's a blue button on the top right. Choose the group name you would like to add the learner to and click on the option labeled Add. It's the green tab at the bottom right. Once you have filled in all the required details, simply click the Add Learner button to complete the process. To efficiently add multiple learners, follow the steps. Start by clicking the Upload button located on your learner's dashboard. Next, click View to access a template of the Excel spreadsheet that needs to be uploaded. You have the option to download this template as a file for your convenience. Within the provided template, input the relevant learner information into their respective columns while keeping all column headers unchanged. Please refrain from making any edits to the header ArcLab ID, which is located in the first column on the left. This serves as our unique identifier and should not be altered. It should be noted that this ID is different from the one you have assigned to your learner. If you want to include group details for the learners, make sure that the specific groups spelled exactly as intended have been previously created on your learner's dashboard. Double-check and ensure the accuracy of the learner's details, then proceed by clicking the Confirm button to complete the bulk addition process. To edit a learner's detail, simply utilize the search bar to locate them by their ID, name, email, or phone number, or identify them by the group they belong to. For a quick edit, click on the Edit icon. After making your changes, click the green tick icon to confirm the updates. To modify the learner's assigned group, click on the Details icon. You can remove the learner from the group by selecting the red icon. Alternatively, if you wish to add a learner to an additional group, click on the Add to Groups tab and follow the same process as before. Don't forget to save your changes by clicking the green Save Changes tab at the bottom once you're finished. To delete the learner, simply follow these steps. Check the box next to the learner you want to delete. Then click on the tab with the trash icon above. You can also perform a quick deletion by clicking directly on the red trash bin icon, which is on the same row as the learner's details. If you wish to delete multiple learners, repeat the process by selecting the checkboxes for each learner you wish to remove before clicking the red tab with the trash icon above. Now you're ready to deliver your training modules. See you next time!